name is Alan Stewart. I am the Director for Careers and Employability at Middlesex University. So Barnet Council reached out to the university because we already have established partnerships and collaboration with Barnet Council, and they were keen to see how the university could support their microbusiness community. So we worked very closely with the team at Barnet Council to curate a program of workshops that would specifically focus on the skills and the needs of microbusinesses in Barnet. To precede that, we conducted a skills audit or a needs audit of the Barnet microbusiness community, just to really get a sense of where their needs were and what was lacking. And that informed some of the program that we delivered through our academic colleagues at Middlesex University. That was then followed by an internship program where Middlesex graduate consultants partnered with the microbusinesses on the program to support implementation of the learnings from the workshop program that they had attended. The Barnet Microbusiness Growth Program had three distinct phases. One was a needs audit reaching into the Barnet microbusiness community, and we surveyed 500 microbusinesses to establish what their real needs were, what their growth needs were, what the requirements were, and what was lacking. That then informed the second phase of the program, which was a series of 10 workshop sessions delivered by senior academics at Middlesex University on aspects of business development, digital marketing, sustainability, decision making. The third phase of the program was our Middlesex graduate consultants, our students, on an internship which is supporting those microbusinesses to implement the learnings from the program. And that internship is a 6-week internship with our students working really closely with those microbusinesses to make sure that they take forward the learnings from the program. One of the key aims of the Barnet Microbusiness Growth Program is to ensure that there is a legacy for the microbusinesses who have engaged. We don't want this to be a one-off collaboration with them. And for many of the microbusinesses, it will have been the first time that they will have engaged with Middlesex University. So we hope that this is the starting point for a longer-term relationship, and we can support their growth and their sustainability as they build their business. And we hope that they will take the learnings from the program and really embed that into their thinking as a business. And we will always be on hand to support the microbusinesses within the Barnet community. For many of the microbusinesses that attended the program, engaged in the program, one real benefit was the ability to network. The microbusiness community is notoriously isolated in many cases, and they struggle sometimes to find that collaboration, that networking principle, if you like, which is really important when you're building a business. And we know from the feedback from the microbusinesses that that ability to connect on campus at Middlesex University, in the program workshops, in the networking sessions that we had, was just really great. And we know that there were shared ideas, there were new sort of collaborations may come out of that. So that's one thing that we think was really beneficial. Equally important, I think, is the takeaways that they will get from the program of workshops. The digital marketing workshops that we led were hugely popular. One of the most requested aspects of the whole program was, how do I market my business? How do I take it forward? So I think there will be a lot of learning gained from that. And I hope just confidence in seeing a roadmap going forward for the business, and some of the challenges that they may have felt were there, they can possibly see a way over those challenges. So Middlesex University is a huge resource for the Barnet business community. Whether you are a startup, a microbusiness, an SME on your way to growth, or a larger organization, we can provide you skill sets from our students who are eager, innovative, creative, really desperate to work with businesses because it's real experience for our students, but it's a fantastic way of accessing creativity and innovation for businesses where they may struggle to find that in-house. Our academic expertise is renowned within research. So for more complex problems or challenges that businesses in Barnet may find, they can tap into our academic expertise, and there are ways that we can support that through grants and funding as well. And the facilities at Middlesex University are superb. So there is this huge resource. The doors are open for all aspects of the business community in Barnet, and we encourage them to engage with the university. We are inviting the Barnet business community to reach out to Middlesex University, tap into the pipeline of talent that we have in our student resource, tap into the academic expertise that we hold within Middlesex University, renowned for its research and development and innovation. So please reach out to the university.